Today, let's learn 100 of the most common nouns in British English. Part B. Travel and places. City. The city has a lot of tall buildings and busy streets. Town. I grew up in a small town. Village. They live in a quiet village. Park. We walked through the park after lunch. Shop. I stopped at the shop for some bread. Market. The market sells fresh fruit and vegetables. Library. He borrowed a book from the library. Hospital. She works as a nurse in the hospital. Bank. I visited the bank to open a new account. Station. The train left from platform 4 at the station. Nature and environment. Tree. A tall tree stands outside my window. Flower. She picked a flower from the garden. Grass. The grass is wet with morning dew. River. We had a picnic beside the river. Mountain. They went hiking in the mountains. Sun. The sun came out in the afternoon. Cloud. A dark cloud appeared over the hill. Rain. Heavy rain started just after lunch. Sky. The sky was full of stars last night. Animal. I saw wild animals in the forest. Shopping and products. Consumer. The consumer is always looking for good value. Money. He didn't have enough money for the ticket. Price. The price of food has gone up. Receipt. Don't forget to keep your receipt. Trolley. The supermarket trolleys are outside. Bag. She carried her shopping in a paper bag. Card. I paid by card instead of cash. Cash. They only accept cash at the market. Product. The supermarket has a lot of products. Brand. That's my favorite brand of coffee. Culture. Arts and entertainment. Music. I love listening to music at night. Film. We watched a new film at the cinema. Song. That song is stuck in my head. Game. We played a board game after dinner. Sport. There are many sports to choose from, like football and basketball. Dance. They performed a traditional dance. Picture. I took a picture of the sunset. Painting. This painting is from a famous artist. Language. I want to learn more languages. Festival. The local festival starts tomorrow. Society and services. Government. The government is responsible for making and enforcing laws. Law. Everyone must follow the law. Policy. This is an important workplace policy. Rule. There are new rules at work. Vote. Everyone has the right to vote. News. I read the news every morning. Community. The community came together to help. School. The school opens at 8 a.m. Clinic. I have an appointment at the clinic tomorrow. Council. The local council is responsible for public services. Well done. You've now learned 100 of the most common nouns in British English. Like this video. Leave a comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more English learning resources.